Hey there and welcome back everyone. Let's knock out LeetCode 189, rotate array. So given an integer array nums, rotate the array to the right by k steps where k is non-negative. I chose this question because in theory and concept, it seems very simple, but look at this acceptance rate. The acceptance rate, very low. And we also are gonna do it the most optimal way, right? Because the O of N space approach, it's very easy and it won't pass you the interview. And we also are gonna focus on this K value too, because what if K is larger than the size of our nums given array, okay? So the solution isn't very simple off the top of your head, but if we look at these examples here, we shift to the right by 3, because K is equal to 3. And if we shift this to the right, notice how it relapse, right? It circles back and now it becomes the beginning of the array, and that's our output. Same thing with example 2. And I want to go over to the drawing board to stress on this K aspect, because for the variable K, it won't work for this solution if we don't take care of that immediately. So like I mentioned, the very first step, so I'll just call this step 0. No, I'll just say step 1. So step 1 is to mod K by the length of our nums array, okay? And I'll show you why. Because how do you shift this given array by 13 spots to the right? Let's make it easier for ourselves. If we mod 13 by the length of this array here, which is 7, we get 6, right? So we actually just need to shift this over to the right 6 times, okay? That's what it's gonna lap back to. All right, with that being said, after you mod K by the length of the nums, so let's just write that out right here. So K is equal to K mod len of nums. Step 2 is to reverse the entire array, okay? And we will just visually do that here. So if we reverse this, go back, okay? So that's step 2, okay? And now we still have to keep going, right? Because step 3, we want to reverse the first K elements. Reverse first K elements, or numbers, whatever you want to call them. So the first K, we'll use this example, the first 3, we want to reverse these. So this, we just want to reverse all of that. And that will give us this here, all right? And then finally, step 4, we just want to reverse the last K plus 1 elements, okay? So what does that look like? So K is equal to 3, the last K plus 1. So technically I'll just say the last, I'll just go ahead and say the last elements after the last K elements. Sorry, I'll just say the last elements from K onwards. Okay, that makes more sense. The last elements after K, or from K, sorry, from K, okay. So from K, we have 3, right? So we're gonna reverse these. So this comes here. And all right, let's see, does this work? This is the solution, okay? Because if we were to rotate this by 3 to the right, like we shift these 3, this is what we end up getting. And that's it, okay? So let's go ahead and code this up. And I'll actually keep the comments here. Okay, so I did this step here. So I already have that code. So then reverse the entire array. So we'll say something like, we'll call a function called reverse. So reverse, we'll take an index 0, right? And len of nums minus 1, okay? And then we'll just reverse the first K elements. So the first K would be 0 to, I think I want to represent this as, so let's do, yeah, so just like this, the first K. And then finally, we want to reverse from, so we'll do, oh, so this should be K minus 1, sorry. Yeah, this should be K minus 1, right? Because it's 0-based index, right? K minus 1 would get us this here. So we want to reverse that. And then obviously we want to reverse from K onwards, right? So we can say from K onwards to len of nums minus 1. And that's it, right? So let's go over to LeetCode and let's code up this solution. All right, so let's store the length of the nums in this variable n. And remember how I mentioned the very first thing you have to do is you have to mod k. So k is equal to k mod n, right? Just in case k is larger than the length of nums, we need to reset it back in bounds. And then let's go ahead and define that reverse function. So it takes in nums, it takes in index left and index right. And then we say while left is less than right, because this is just a basic reversal algorithm. Nums of left. Instead of using the full word, let's just abbreviate it so I can fit this into the screen. All right, yeah. So nums of left, nums of right is equal to nums of right, nums of left. We're just reversing things, right? And then we have to update our pointers. So left increases and right decreases. And then now all we have to do is call these functions, right? So remember, we have to first reverse the entire array. So we're going to pass in, and we're going to pass in 0 and n minus 1, right? And then we're going to also call reverse from 0 to k minus 1. And then finally, we'll call reverse from k to n minus 1, okay, to reverse the last elements after k, right? Because we're 0 base, just to reiterate. Okay, and we submit this. This works perfectly fine. Let's go to the drawing board to discuss the time and the space. So the time is equal to big O of n, because let's do this right here. Immediately, this is big O of n, okay? And technically it's 3n, right? It's 3n, but we drop constants, so it's big O of n. And the space, because we did it the optimal array, the correct way, we have big O of 1, constant space. We're not using any extra memory because we're doing it n place, right? With that being said, whatever platform you're on, like, comment, subscribe, follow. It really helps the algorithm. And I'll see you in the next one.